All right, so update on the Ford. We're going to call this one done. I got it done in time. I entered the competition. Didn't really win any prizes, but that was okay because I had a lot of fun building this. So I ended up not putting a hood on. It just didn't fit quite right at the edges. I will eventually find one and put it on. So here's some little look at the motor a little bit. Added some details to that. Looks like I still need to add some detail underneath. But for the most part, I'm gonna call this done. I really like how the bed turned out. This is actually a decal that came in the kit. Luckily, this was pre-painted and they had used primer underneath, which is exactly how I would have approached this. So I was able just to basically sand it, and it worked out really well. I really like how that kind of patina look came out on this. Added some rust, not much, mostly patina. Custom wheels, of course. Really like how the grill turned out. Just overall really happy with how this turned out. Just a little bit of the interior. And there she is, another one saved. Saved from the box. So thanks for watching, I appreciate it. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you really like the channel. I'll be posting a lot more videos. I've got tons of new models. My next one I'll be doing soon is this Ed Sharpman's Airlift Rattler. That one is actually pretty complete in there, but I need to add a bunch of detail and put it all back together. I'll also be doing one of the 59 Corvettes and possibly the Chevy hardtop 57. Not sure on that one yet. It's not too bad. The actual kit is actually pretty good, but they kind of messed up the body, so I'll have to do some stuff on that. So anyway, thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll have more videos soon. Thank you.